Are fecal sacs just big bags of poop? The short answer is yes. But have you ever wondered why these pouches of poop are so important? They're called fecal sacs, and they have a very important role in a bird's early stages of life. Have you ever noticed how birds' nests stay so clean? Baby birds that require a lot of parental care at birth commonly produce fecal sacs. By packaging waste in a fecal sac, the nest stays cleaner, which helps prevent the spread of disease and parasites that could harm the chicks. The scent of the waste can attract predators. By removing the fecal sacs, parents reduce the chances of predators locating the nest through smell. And for the craziest fact, they can actually provide nutrients to the parents. Fecal sacs contain partially digested food that still has nutritional value. By consuming these sacs, parent birds can reclaim nutrients, which is especially important when food resources are scarce. Which fact was most interesting to you?